What's going on, everyone? Techtosh coming at you guys with a unexpected video. I thought I was dedicated Android all the way, never going back, but I made the jump. And I made the jump for two reasons, maybe three. One, content for the channel. I wanted to get an iPhone to do comparison videos with Androids. I know iPhone's coming out with new iOS 16 and all this stuff that they're gonna be coming out with. I try to hold out for the 14, but I don't know when that's gonna come out. Majority of the reason why I wanted this was for one, like I said, comparisons, and two, camera. I want a good B-roll camera, unlike the camera I'm using now, which is the Sony a6400. I want to have a secondary camera so I can have talking points and overhead shots at the same time. So the iPhone is probably the best choice for B-roll style footage, or any footage really. The camera does excellent quality. I have the S22 Ultra as well, so I'm going to be doing comparisons between the S22 Ultra, which is the top tier for Android, and then we have obviously iPhone now, and we got the iPhone Pro Max. I went the biggest one they got with all the specs that they can offer, so I went with the baby blue colorway. It was a hard decision between this colorway or the new green colorway. The green was nice, but I like the elegant look of the baby blue. Granted, I'm Android all the way, but the one thing I will give iPhone users, or just the iPhone in general, is the quality of the phone. I'm excited to get my hands on this device because I have not had an iPhone since like the iPhone 8, I believe. I had to look back. I don't even know the last time I had it. It's been a while. Of course, I've touched iPhones. I've messed with people who had iPhones, so I've had my hands on them. So I'm not unfamiliar with it, but having a personal iPhone where I get to use the camera for what I want to use it for and all the apps and stuff like that, that's going to be new for me since, like I said, since like the iPhone 8. So I'm definitely excited to get my hands on this device and start tinkering around with the iPhone Apple ecosystem again and have a real clear comparison between being a dedicated S22 user and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 over here. These have been my daily drivers, but enough talking. Like I said, I got the baby blue 256 gigabyte edition Pro Max iPhone 13. Obviously, you can tell, just like Samsung, everybody's getting super thin with their boxes, so you already know there's going to be no charger or anything like that in here. Yes, every company's skimping out on the box and stuff that comes in it, but that's just something we're gonna have to deal with. Should be an easy unboxing. I don't think I need a knife, so they got pull tabs here, so we'll go ahead and pull away these tabs. Man, look at that thing. Oh my, that's another reason why I got the baby blue. It is super glistening. It has that real nice shimmer when you got it in the light. It almost on camera looks like a silver, which I like. Now iPhones, I'll always give that to iPhones. They really have a nice, elegant, high quality feeling and look to the device. So just holding it in hand is always a great experience. Obviously, where the controversy comes in is the operating system. For most people, that's where the divide comes into play when it compares to Android and iPhone. You got the 3 cameras there. Can't wait to use these. I already know Apple has always had amazing cameras, so definitely excited to dive into the Apple ecosystem for creating content. You do get obviously a cable at least. That's another downfall going to iPhone now. I have to have 2 cables because of course I'm still gonna be running with my Androids. I gotta carry 2 phones now. And then of course you get the SIM pin in here, nothing special. And that's all that's in the box. Pretty sad and depressing unboxing. But this is more so just to show that I am now partially an iPhone user. Now in hands, man, this thing feels so sexy. It's light, definitely lighter than the S22 Ultra. They're kind of on par. I don't know. It definitely feels lighter than what I thought it was gonna be. So as you can see on the side here, it's got the shimmery bezels on the side. So definitely gonna collect a lot of fingerprints. Everybody knows what the iPhone looks like. This is nothing new. I'm not gonna do a whole walkthrough, but you got your infamous silent switch. So now I can silence the phone without having to hold the volume button down all the way. So some of the things that I got with this device is a ZAG screen protector. Now I've seen a couple people have privacy screens on the iPhones and they seem to look not bad. I was always worried about it being too dark and really dampening the quality of the screen display. And then along with that, of course, temporarily, this is the the case I'll be using for right now. I bought this at Best Buy, both these. Just a simple smoke style translucent case. So that way you can still kind of see what colorway I got. Very simple case. Obviously you got the cutouts for the camera. It is translucent so you can't see my hands, but it does add a little smoke effect to it. I really don't want to cover this up. This thing's too beautiful. So it looks okay. It's nothing sexy, but it's something to keep the phone protected until I actually get the case that I want, which is the later case. I'll be getting that for the iPhone. So I do have everything set up. So this is my everyday sling here. This is where I carry all my stuff in. So as you can see, I got my iPhone all set up with my case. I got my mag attachment here for my MagSafe accessories. I only got one at the moment, which is this guy right here. So it's an external battery pack, has a kickstand and everything on it. Really like it. I'll talk about that in another video as well. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe. Now the one downfall, I'm not fully embedded in the iOS ecosystem, so I am still rocking my Galaxy Buds. That's kind of a negative because a lot of the features that the Galaxy Buds offer will not work on the iOS ecosystem. So I'm gonna have to get the Apple Buds. I don't know. I wasn't fully sure if I wanted to get Apple Buds because you can go with other brands that will operate with the features on Apple, but because I got the Samsung Buds, they won't. So I am debating on the Gen 3 version of the earpods, I should say. I'm waiting for the Pro 2 version possibly to come out. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so that way you're getting updated on these videos when I do release them. But again, I do have some more stuff coming in for the iOS ecosystem, so be sure to look out for those videos so you know what I'm getting, why I got it, what I like or dislike about it. Again, I do have my case video that'll be dropping along with the install and whatever I use for this. And then again, I'll have another video on my favorite external battery MagSafe technology. This is really cool. I gotta say, Samsung needs to step their game up with this because I really like this feature. I've heard about it, obviously. I really do like the concept of the MagSafe. I'm happy to be a part of the iPhone gang. Y'all stay nerdy. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.